Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Expensify to QuickBooks Online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect Expensify to QuickBooks Online, what you need to do is you need to understand the requirements. You need to be an Expensify policy admin. You must have a QuickBooks Online account, and then your Expensify account should be on a group policy. In order to connect Expensify to QuickBooks Online, simply head over and open up a browser, and on the search bar type in Expensify, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your admin account, what you need to do is click on the profile icon which is on the top right, then select settings. Inside settings, select policies and your policy name and then connections, and then simply click on connect to accounting package. Now here choose QuickBooks Online from the list, and then you'll be redirected into its login page. Simply log into your QuickBooks Online account and authorize Expensify to access your QuickBooks data. Then once connected, choose your chart of accounts to import. Map Expensify fields to QuickBooks fields such as categories, tax or report fields. Then set whether approved reports or reimbursed reports are exported, and choose export format from vendor bills, journals, and etc. Then after setup, go to the settings, select policies and then your policy, and then select connections, then select QuickBooks Online, and there click sync now to pull the latest accounts and settings from the QBO. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.